SLP just hit all-time highs in volume, and this is insane. I mean, the level of minting that's been going on within the Axie Infinity ecosystem as of late is nuts.
Welcome back to Investment Tribe, where you've subscribed because you want to learn all about cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and other digital assets. Don't forget to leave us a thumbs up and enable the notifications so you'll be alerted whenever we post a new video. And if you have any questions or recommendations, please share them in the comment section below. Today, we will look at the Smooth Love Potion or SLP token from the very popular game Axie Infinity. And we will talk about its current forecast, technical analysis, and price prediction for 2022 to 2026. Some experts are saying that there's still hope for SLP and that it can make you a millionaire by 2025. In this video, we will discuss how they came up with that prediction. But before we start, we just want to point out that we're not professionals in this field. We're not financial advisors by any stretch of the imagination. We are just enthusiasts who like researching these kinds of stuff and watching this market closely. We just also happen to have a YouTube channel. So do your own research first and invest at your own risk. Smooth Love Potion or SLP is the second token issued by the game Axie Infinity, the first being AXS or Axie Infinity Shards. The S in SLP previously stood for small, but they changed it to smooth for some reason. The mobile game became so huge around the summer of 2021. For those of you who are unfamiliar, Axie Infinity is a card game developed by a Vietnamese game studio company named Sky Mavis. It was released in 2018, but as I've said, the game exploded just last year, especially in the Philippines where the majority of the players can be found. Axie Infinity has these cute characters called Axies that you can use to battle with other players or what they call Axie fights. But if you're not into that, there's another mode where you can just launch your Axies into an adventure. All of the characters are NFTs, and you can add or mix and match certain body parts or breed two Axies together, making a new and unique character. The rarer the Axie is, the higher its value in the market. Some Axies even sold for hundreds of thousands of dollars. So there's a lot of ways to earn in this game. One of the main differences between the AXS and the SLP is that the former is an ERC20 and acts as a governance token that allows for staking and payment use, while the latter is used in-game and rewarded to players for playing the game. Another thing about SLP is that owners can trade it in the open market. So you can trade them with different cryptocurrencies, even to other users that do not play the game. SLP represents experience points you earn for every battle and quest you complete in-game. Users can then use the token in creating or upgrading Axies. Axie Infinity is beginning to change the gaming landscape because of its play-to-earn aspect. Let's now take a look at the trend of SLP in the last year. At the beginning of 2021, its price played around 2 cents, but it leaped around March when its price rose to 10 cents. Next month around April, it reverted to 3 cents, creating a triangular trend. However, in May, it reached its all-time high price at 42 cents for a short time before falling again to 8 cents within the same month. Its trend went up and down many times more, ranging from 15 to 50 cents in June. And in July, it peaked several times at 40 cents. Judging by this trend, it seems that it can still have a breakthrough and peak even higher because it has produced a double or triple peak pattern. So many players are still watchful for the SLP token. Suppose you're interested in watching the trend as well. In that case, you can view the real-time aggregated SLP buy and sell recommendation for a selected time on the Advanced Technical Analysis tool by TradingView. The SLP USD summary is based on the most prominent technical indicators like oscillators, pivots, and moving averages. Currently, SLP's price plays around 2 cents. Smooth Love Potion has a market worth of $70,029,361 and a circulating supply of 3,215,375,058. Honestly, it's not looking good right now because the token's value has dropped by minus 16%. And when compared to previous weeks, it produced the same trend. It's partly because SLP is currently having difficulties gaining traction with other coins. It even dropped to an average of minus 21.66% in the last week alone. Based on this, we can safely assume that the success of short-term investing is pretty much non-existent at this point. In January of this year, SLP's prices dropped by minus 71.267%, decreasing to $0.054 from its current value on average. But on the other hand, this might be the best time to invest in the token because of the slump it's currently experiencing. For the last 90 days, Smooth Love Potion's price fluctuated around 16 to 18 cents, or minus 86.93% price change. And over the previous 120 days, it has dropped by minus 92.39%, with a fluctuating price of 26 to 29 cents. Now, we will look at Smooth Love Potion's price prediction for each year from 2022 to 2026. The website Price Prediction has predicted SLP's value by doing in-depth AI-assisted technical analysis. They make an effort to collect as much historical data as possible, like past prices, market capitalizations, volumes, etc. In 2022, they predicted that SLP will have the same trend as 2021 and expect an average price of $0.036 and might reach $0.041 before the end of the year. Of course, it's very likely for the market to dump after a long bull run. By 2023, it might even grow more extensive because of collaborations and innovations within the game that can increase its user base. If everything goes right, we might be seeing a maximum price of $0.06 for this year. It will fluctuate here and there, but it's forecasted to settle at an average of $0.053, $0.051 being the minimum, and $0.06 being the maximum, as I've said. In 2024, we could be expecting the price to skyrocket to about $0.091. This is mainly because of more collaborations and adoptions from other big blockchains. Again, it will fluctuate, but the minimum price for 2024 would still be much higher than 2023's maximum at $0.079. It will continue the upward trend in 2025. Because of the interest alone in the market, many traders might avoid FOMO and get in on the action. This can lead to another price leap of 13 cents maximum and 12 cents average. The price tag can vary as the crypto market can see another bullish trend on its way to 2025. And by 2026, since the trend's only way is up, many more traders and investors will flock to SLP. And again, if everything goes right, the year can end with an average of 17 cents, a minimum value of 16 cents, and a maximum value of 19 cents. SLP's price in the future depends on the market's interest in the Axie Infinity game and the token itself. Many things have to go right for this prediction to come to fruition. Today, the value is reaching an all-time low, so maybe it's the best time to invest. But what the future holds is very uncertain. So take that as you will. That's our video for today. We hope you liked it. What do you think? Are you now interested in buying SLP and playing Axie Infinity? The trend is very unstable right now, so we are very cautious about SLP. This is just free advice, but it's always better to invest in unstable markets with money that you're willing to lose. But that's just our opinion. For those who are already playing the game and trading SLP, share your experiences with us. We love to hear them. Well, that's all for now. This is Investment Tribe. See you again tomorrow. Keep in mind to like, share, and subscribe.